This is the disappearing scarf trick. Take this scarf and I tuck it into my hand just like this. And poof, it's completely disappeared. I'm gonna make it reappear now by dun 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 dun. Look at that, it came back. That's pretty cool, huh? Let's take the scarf and put it into my hand like this. Tuck it in and poof, completely disappeared. However, look. Wow, we turned it into $10 bill. That's pretty cool, but where did the scarf go? I think I know where it could be. It's inside my pocket. This is the disappearing scarf trick explanation. It basically uses the thumb tip. It's called the thumb tip because it's a fake thumb that fits over your real thumb. And of course, the scarf. Now the basic idea of this trick is you have the fake thumb on your finger, and to hide it from the audience's view to start with, you want to hold the scarf in front of it just like this. And you can say, I'm going to make this scarf disappear. Now, when you're going to make the scarf disappear, you take the fake thumb and you tuck it down into your hand and curl your hand around it so that now you pull out your real thumb and the fake thumb is there ready for the scarf to go in. You put the scarf on top, tuck the scarf nice and tightly into the thumb, use your other hand's thumb to push it in, and when you do that, you're going to have the scarf in the fake thumb on your other hand so that it looks like it's disappeared from this hand initially. Now you wave your hands around like this. It makes it harder to see that there's a fake thumb there. You then curl your other hand, thumb around the other hand, and then you pull out the scarf from this side. After you pull out the scarf, put this thumb back into the fake thumb and wave the scarf around. And the audience should be looking at the scarf. I'll do it again with this hand. Tuck this thumb down, wrap your hand around it, take the scarf and push it into the fake thumb. Use your other hand's thumb to tuck it in and slide it right off. It looks like it's gone again. You can then make it reappear by pulling out the scarf. Ta-da! Now, for the other version is you can have this wrapped up somewhere behind the table. I had it wrapped up behind the table. Imagine this is out of sight. And I basically, when I'm waving this around over here and they're watching this, I basically pick up and palm the fake money. It could be any kind of object you use in here that you palm, and you tuck it in. So now when I'm going to make this scarf disappear into the fake thumb, I tuck it into the thumb, make the scarf disappear, poof, but look, it's transformed into the money. Now, keeping the fake thumb in this hand while you're distracting them with the object you made appear, you can put this fake thumb in your pocket and you can say, where did the scarf go? Well, look at that. It's in my pocket, and only pull out the scarf, leaving the fake thumb inside your pocket.